Hi, this is Iberia Trading Group, Orlando, Florida. Today we have 2014 Jeep Cherokee. Car has rebuild title. Vehicle runs perfect. Cold AC. At this moment vehicle has 122,000 miles. We finance this vehicle in-house, buy here, pay here. For credit application, please visit our website www.iberiaautos.com, or you can visit our dealership 4124 West Colonial Drive, Orlando, Florida 32808. You can call us also at 407-601-0707. Let's go, let's take a look around the vehicle, check interior, and then we can listen the engine. Vehicle has 2.4 4-cylinder engine, which works perfect.